drilled them once and I drilled them twice, and I drilled these cunts till I'm older. Let it fucking fly for the homicide, can't name a fucking crew colder. At a crossroad with this gun smoke, I'm still praying for a soldier. Drills on drills, someone put a belt on my shoulder. I've drilled them once and I drilled them twice, and I drilled these cunts till I'm older. Let it fucking fly for the homicide, can't name a fucking crew colder. At a crossroad with this gun smoke, I'm still praying for a soldier. I'm still praying for a soldier, but I was young and broke, so fuck it. Load that strap and bust it, back that smoke, then you know I chuck it. Feds want me, but you know I stuck it. And the gang know me, I drop runs but I don't drop beef. Don't throw hands.
So today I'm just going to be showing you over the cars I have here at the yard at the moment, like my cars. So I have my Ute, VP S-Pack Ute. I need to figure out how to get them side strips back on. Pretty straight. Only main dent is this here, and then the rear tailgate. Yeah, pretty straight Ute. Needs a few things on the inside. Have all the strips sitting up there. Not a factory cluster. Need a new one of these. Just replaced that. But I need one like that because all my dash lights and all that don't work. And yeah. So hopefully in the next coming week I'll be moulding the reverse cowl into the bonnet. This bonnet's already pretty, yeah. So, but yeah, mighty Buick, and yeah. So then we've got the one Clapper skid car. Which is pretty, just put a twin throttle on it, on the dog. Got it all running, up and happening. Pretty fat. VP LE wagon, 6 auto, yeah. Good old screwdriver start. Straight out of the white piece. I'll insert a video of it doing this skid. Pretty clean rigging, and we've got VP parts car. This thing, I swapped a little 125 pit bike for it. Yeah, pretty hyped out, you know. This thing has a good motor in it, which keep the spares for either the Ute or the wagon. But this bonnet doesn't seem to have too bad of rust, so I might use this on the Ute because my one has a fair bit of rust in it, in the bonnet. But yeah, hit me up if you need any parts off this. It's either that or, yeah, probably end up going scrap. once I get all my parts off it. What I need. Rear doors don't open. Oh, what a dog. I forgot what was in here. A whole bunch of random stuff. Actually. Yeah, it was on gas. I pulled off all the gas system once I got it running. Get the rear door unlocked. Yeah. Oh, really? It doesn't have any rust, like major rust. It's only not like any up here. Oh, there's a little bit starting to come through. Just here somewhere, I think it was. No, sorry. Yeah, there's a little bit starting that came through here. But yeah, other than that, it's a rust-free car, so might even be worth just to save and have it as a later on project. But, yeah. This tarp over there. Notice that it doesn't get rained in or whatever. But yeah. And yeah. Pretty mint rig. This thing needs it also needs an exhaust, so hit me up if you have a ute exhaust. But yeah. Oh well. And I need a smaller roof rack so as I can put a basket that I have on. And yeah, but yeah. Not much content for today, but I'll put in some videos. I'll make a little montage of that thing skidding and little photos and everything. And yeah. So yeah, alright. Catches.
Yeah, I can like her picture now. Without you tripping now. You out the picture now. So why you tripping now? I'm sipping.